Hey everyone, my name is Kara, and this is the website that I created this semester. I chose to do a kids baking competition site because I love watching baking shows, and I figured it would be a fun project for me to do. So the main purpose of the site is to have people donate towards the competition to help provide prize money as well as supplies for the kids. And so I just wanted to walk you through some of the sections that I have and then the main design elements as well. So to start, the title, I liked having the white against the blue, and I thought a blue was a very appropriate color for a kids competition, as a lot of kids love the color blue. And then of course having a picture of cookies to just show that it is a baking competition. Now each of these sections that I'll go through have a lot of repetition. I have the section headings the same with the same font size, font, and color, as well as the text explaining the section is the same color, font, and size. So I have the what section, the when section, goals section, supplies section, and the final donate section. And so in each of these sections, they're a little bit different, but again, it has a lot of repetition. This bottom section, the donate one, I really loved the circular pictures. That was one of the challenges that I ran into as I was creating this website, was figuring out exactly how to do the circular images. But as I got help and figured it out, it ended up looking great. In some of these other sections, again, I just have square pictures that go along with the section. So supplies is a picture of the whisk and some other cookies, and then just some more pictures of kids baking with their mom, another picture of the kid baking with their mom, just pictures that are appropriate for this website. I also really learned a lot from making this. I knew nothing about HTML and CSS, but as I took this class and had to put it to use by making this website, I really learned a lot. I was able to learn how to design from the back end of things, and it really was a lot of fun, and I definitely will use these skills that I have learned in the future as I go about my future career. I hope you guys enjoyed this website, and again, I'll just go through it one more time so you can see it. I really just wanted to keep it simple and easy to read, as well as make it fun, as it is a kids baking competition site.